I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects. Gonna try and make the little water spout for the sink. Get some copper pipe. Gonna tee it, cap it at the ends, and then go back with the grinder and cut a trough in it. Sounds like mom. It's like, working.
Moment of truth.
That would be perfect.
Good job. So next up, we're going to work on the plumbing for the sink.
So we have water now. Beauty! So we're putting a piece of plywood on the wall. This is going to hold the tile, and the plumbing fixtures are going to come out through. So I'm just going to drill a couple holes for the copper pipe and for our shut-off valve to come through. Beauty. So next steps, tile. Walker's a bit of a rock man. He suggested doing some slate, and I think he was bang on.
Does it feel like it's got some stick-to-itiveness?
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, totally.
Probably could have put this tree in after. So what do you think?
It's a super great background, I'd say.
Let's finish up this sink.
And this part.
And then we'll move on to the toilet.
Like a 2-inch lip, maybe?
Perfect. And now some rocks in here. We kind of hidden the stainless steel sink that we had, covered it in rock. It looks like a really nice natural feature now. Come on, baby.
It looks great, man.
That's pretty good.
Sometimes it's the little moments in these projects that you just get re-energized by having something work. It looks nice, it works perfectly. Reaching to turn it off, that's a bit of a strange feature, isn't it? It's a bit weird, you have to go under it to turn the water off and on, but